Wondering how to make extra money online in 2023? There's plenty of options, both full-time and part-time, so in this video, you'll definitely find something that suits your pace of life. Stay tuned and we'll show you top 7 profitable side hustles to start this year and the exact steps to follow. My name's Diane and you're watching Thrive with Sylvia. The first option is for my lazy guys out there, or simply for those who prefer multitasking and want a side hustle that can be performed easily in between the main work tasks. And it is making the most of online surveys. Yeah, sounds trivial at first. Here's the thing. This way of making money online hasn't lost its positions over the last few years. On the contrary, the trend for it keeps on growing. According to Google, the most popular survey websites are Branded Surveys, Swagbox, Teluna, Price Rebel, Survey Junkie, LifePoints, Inbox Dollars, and MyPoints. However, some of the solutions and their quality may change over time. So before diving right into filling in surveys, make sure you've chosen the survey website that won't let you down. Here's a couple of things to keep in mind for you to choose the most profitable and safe option. Get to know how much exactly the website pays for the particular number of surveys taken by you. And if you're all right with the indicated sum of money, proceed further. Take a quick rating check of the website. You can always visit such review sites as Trustpilot, BBB, G2, or simply go to Quora or Reddit to ask those who already use the website you are planning to work with. And one additional yet boring recommendation for those who value every minute of their life is to spend some time reading terms and conditions of the site so that you know exactly what you're getting into. Now we're moving on with the second option to make extra money online, which is selling online courses. Developing an online course can be a profitable method to make extra money online. As per the e-learning industry, the worldwide market is anticipated to exceed $325 billion by 2025. The pleasant part is that you don't need to be an expert in any field to make a good course that thousands of people would appreciate. You just need to be able to read and sort out the necessary info. You can do it in 6 steps. First, choose a profitable niche that you're passionate about and that solves a problem for your target audience. For example, you're a mom and you've recently found a fun way to teach your kid to clean up his room. There are lots of moms and lots of kids, right? So be sure to make a course on the topic. Use Google Trends, forums, and social media groups to understand whether what you want to share with the audience is what the audience needs, all right? Maybe you'll need to add something to your original idea. Create valuable content that's engaging, informative, and actionable using various tools. It's not necessary to draw a book of marvelous illustrations or edit a 100 hours long video with tons of special effects. Keep it simple and add some style. You can even make a PDF document with a couple of colorful illustrations and it may work wonderfully. Find and pick platforms to host your course. Google will give you plenty of options. Set a price that's competitive and consider offering discounts or bundle deals. And the last one, market your course using social media. Email marketing, paid advertising, and offer a free trial or demo to entice potential buyers. This way of making extra money online is extremely passive, but anyway, once the course is done, don't forget to update it from time to time. This is how you make sure it sells. Side hustle option number 3 is becoming a freelancer. If you're looking for more freedom, flexibility, and control over your work, becoming a freelancer might be an excellent option for you. As a freelancer, you can choose what projects to work on, when to work, and where to work from. This means you can tailor your work to your lifestyle and have a better work-life balance. There are 5 simple steps to achieve this goal. Identify your skills and expertise. Determine what services you can offer as a freelancer and what sets you apart from others. Create a portfolio showcasing your best works. It's not always necessary, but it's always a great benefit. Get a website or simply set up social media profiles to promote your services and connect with potential clients. get clients, and a place to work with them. Normally, using a service like Fiverr or Upwork is enough. Finally, don't forget to manage your finances and grow your client base, because even some returning customers can randomly disappear from time to time. Number 4, investing in stocks. Can be a lucrative online income source, but it requires knowledge and a long-term investment mindset. There is, however, an exact action plan for everything and for becoming a stocks expert too. Learn the basics of investing by researching concepts like risk, return, diversification, and asset allocation. Choose a brokerage account that fits your needs and budget, such as Robinhood, TD Ameritrade, or E-Trade. Research and select stocks that fit your investment goals, risk tolerance, and investment horizon. Develop a sound investment strategy and diversify your portfolio by investing in individual stocks or ETFs. Monitor your investments using online tools and resources and practice sound risk management. Set realistic expectations and stay disciplined, focused, and patient. Investing in stocks requires diligence and a long-term investment mindset, but it can be a great way to make extra money online. By following these steps, you can make informed investment decisions and set yourself up for success in the stock market. The following online business idea is the best one for those who are into teaching people. So if you've got some specific knowledge or deep passion for something, this one's for you. To do that, your step-by-step guide will be like this. First, determine your niche based on your qualifications and interests. Choose an online tutoring platform like Chegg or TutorMe, for example. Set your rates competitively and offer discounts to attract clients. Create a professional profile with a photo and engaging bio. Promote your services on social media and offer free trial sessions. You can always start with offering your services to friends and relatives. Why not? You can give them special family discounts and deliver high-quality sessions using a variety of teaching methods, which can be easily learned nowadays thanks to YouTube. The last step is usually forgotten by people, but it's very important. Please collect feedback and use it to improve your tutoring services. Otherwise, you simply won't progress in your career. Starting a podcast is number 6 on our list. It's a cool way to make extra money online for those who like to chat in the first place. A podcast requires only basic equipment, can be done from anywhere at any time, and offers multiple revenue streams. Here are the steps to create a profitable one. Choose a niche that you are knowledgeable and passionate about, such as personal development, entrepreneurship, health, or technology. Plan your podcast, including the format, length, frequency, and content. Create a content calendar and choose a catchy name for your podcast. Set up your basic recording equipment, such as a microphone, and recording software such as Audacity or GarageBand. Record and edit your podcast episodes using sound effects and music to enhance your podcast. Host your podcast on a hosting platform like Buzzsprout, Libsyn, or Podbean and promote it on social media and other channels. Monetize your podcast through advertising, sponsorships, merchandising, or premium content. The last side hustle option to try in 2023, in comparison to all the previous ones, has one marvelous trait. Not only it gives profit, but allows you to discover your entrepreneurial potential and make thousands of people happy. Yes, it is dropshipping. Imagine you have an online store where you sell products, but instead of buying and keeping inventory yourself, you work with a supplier who handles the inventory and shipping for you. When a customer makes a purchase in your store, the supplier ships the product directly to the customer. This means you don't need to worry about storing, handling, or shipping the products yourself, and you can focus on building your online store and driving traffic to it. This is the basic idea behind dropshipping, and this business is quite easy to start. Here's your checklist. Choose a niche that you're passionate about, as usual. Select products with high demand and low competition. Next, find reliable suppliers based on factors like pricing and shipping times. Then set up your online store by customizing the template, adding your products, setting up payment and shipping options. That's important. And finally, promote your store through social media, paid advertising, and other channels. The best part, you don't need any skills to get started and can even find free turnkey businesses like, for example, one that Salvia provides. With this e-commerce ecosystem, you can get your favorite answer to the question, how to make extra money online. Why? A turnkey online store built according to the latest industry trends, tons of best-selling products in your catalog, educational materials, and one-on-one business consultations to make you a pro in e-commerce. Ready to use highest quality promo materials, exclusive premium products for those who want to go further with their business. Ready to learn more? Check out the links in the description and be sure to check out our turnkey stores yourself. You can get it now with a free trial, no additional fees. Thanks for watching this video and have a great day ahead. Bye!